Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner of 2025. I have reviewed related products and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. The video description includes product links where you can purchase the products. Number 1. Brand name, Govee, Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Govee Robot Vacuum Cleaner delivers impressive 6,000 pascals suction power, making it highly effective for dust, pet hair, and debris. With auto-charging and app control, it offers convenience and smart scheduling. The water tank and wet mopping feature ensure thorough cleaning on hard floors. Its slim design allows it to navigate under furniture with ease. While it excels in suction and versatility, battery life could be improved. Overall, it's a great value for automated home cleaning. Number 2. Brand name, Abeer, Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Abeer X6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and smart home cleaning solution. With 6,000 PA suction, it efficiently removes dust, pet hair, and debris from floors and carpets. The visual navigation system ensures precise movement, while the app-controlled virtual barrier allows for customized cleaning zones. It also features a mopping function for floor washing, making it a versatile appliance. Ideal for smart homes, the Abeer X6 offers convenience, strong performance, and great value for effortless cleaning. Number 3. Brand name, iLife, Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The iLife T20S LDS Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and efficient cleaning solution. With 5,000 pascals suction, it effortlessly picks up dust and debris, while its auto-empty dock ensures up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. The LDS navigation allows precise mapping, improving efficiency. It seamlessly switches between vacuuming and mopping, handling both wet and dry sweeping. Ideal for busy households, this smart robot saves time and keeps floors spotless with minimal effort. A great investment. Number 4. Brand name, Abeer, Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Abeer X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful and smart cleaning solution. Its laser navigation system ensures precise mapping, allowing efficient multi-floor cleaning. The zone cleaning and restricted area setting features provide customized control, making it ideal for homes with carpets and hard floors. With strong suction and intelligent obstacle detection, it delivers thorough cleaning without hassle. The app control enhances convenience, making it a great choice for hands-free home maintenance. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient robotic vacuum. Number 5. Brand name, XMSJ, Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The robot vacuum and mop combo 3-in-1 is a game-changer for effortless home cleaning. With self-emptying, LiDAR navigation, and smart app control, it offers seamless automation. Its 4,000 pascals suction efficiently removes dirt, while the mopping function ensures spotless floors. Voice control compatibility makes operation hands-free. The multi-floor mapping and obstacle avoidance enhance navigation. Though pricey, its convenience and performance make it worthwhile. Ideal for busy households, this all-in-one cleaner simplifies maintenance and keeps floors immaculate. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.